Hi, this is How To's. This is the video number 12 of the MS Word series. In this video we are going to see how to add colors and borders in MS Word. Adding page color and borders makes your document more attractive and beautiful. So let's see how we can do this. To add colors in the page, go to Design and then go to Page Color and then select the color that you want. Similarly, to add borders, click on Page Borders in the design here, and then select the type of border you want, like this. So, this is how you can add colors and borders in Word. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.